What's up? This is Abdon from Equilibrium Within Massage, and this is the first video on the channel. Today I'm unboxing my Earthlite Luna portable massage table, and I just wanted to document the experience. So let's dive in. Here we go. Trusty blade. She's looking good. I went with black as the color just because in case the upholstery starts to age, the under part is also black, so it won't look too bad. But okay, that was easy. Pretty easy. She's feeling good. Pretty light. That's what I was going for. It's probably the most important feature for me is the mobility. Alright, so we've got the two clips right here, keeping it closed. And man, this feels good. Nice and comfortable. Let's see what's on the inside. Alright, so we've got the carrying case. Super useful. So right now I am in Nevada City in Northern California, and before this I was in Orange County, Southern California. So I left my old table out there and upgraded, you could say. Okay. Yeah, you got the steel frames, or aluminum, I should say. Super cool. It's you can do Reiki with this, which is cool. Nice head cushion. Alright. So let's see how this works. Maybe concept is the same as my old table. I think so. Cool. Very cool. Perfect. And let's go. Yeah, that's good. It's nice. It's a nice feel. A lot of cushion for comfortability. We've got a headrest sockets in here and on this side. So let's switch the angle up and show you how that works. Alright, so headrest, pretty self-explanatory. Oh, this is nice. The adjustability feels pretty awesome. And the cushion, ooh, that is probably one of the best I've had. So let's get that on there. Beautiful. Yep, super adjustable. And there you have it. So the original price for this table on their website is $679. I actually got it recently and they had a 15% off, which brought it down to $577 with 15 cents. And because I am an AMTA member, I got an additional discount, so that put it at $543.20, and my total savings were $136, which is a pretty sweet deal. It's really important to buy something that you love because it's gonna last a long time and you want to be super happy with that. So yeah, I haven't tested it out yet, but for my next video I am thinking of doing a massage and seeing how that goes. Anyways, thanks for watching. My name's Abdon from Equilibrium Within Massage. You can find me on Instagram. I am massaging in Nevada County. If you're looking to get a massage from me, send me a DM and let's get you on the books. Have a nice day, y'all. Peace.